Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn a day at the beach together step by step. Imagine a fun day at the beach. We can count shells, waves, and friends. Let's practice counting and adding. Counting in tens is quick. 10, 20, 30, 40. We group shells in tens and count the groups. When we put things together, we add. 5 shells and 3 more shells make 8 shells in all. If you see 7 crabs and then 6 more, that's 7 plus 6, 13 crabs. To recap, count carefully. Counting tends to be quick, and putting things together means adding. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.